Welcome to this video on traditional jaggery ball making. See how fresh sugarcane juice is slowly boiled using traditional methods and transformed into delicious jaggery balls carefully hand rolled by skilled workers. Watch this sweet traditional process from start to finish. Raw material: freshly harvested sugarcane tied into bundles is brought to the factory, where the timeless journey of traditional jaggery making begins. These freshly harvested sugarcane bundles are then moved to the crushing section, where the juice extraction process begins. Juice extraction. Here, the sugar canes are carefully fed into the crusher, where the rich natural juice is extracted. The extracted sugarcane juice flows through pipes into a storage chamber where it is collected for further processing. After juice extraction, the leftover sugarcane husk is collected on the other side of the crusher and is transported to the rotary dryer through a conveyor belt system. This rotary dryer removes moisture from the husk through continuous evaporation. The dried husk is then conveyed to the furnace where it is reused as fuel, ensuring a sustainable process. Preparation of jaggery syrup. The juice from the storage chamber is pumped into the processing tank, from where the required quantity of juice is fed into the vessel. Here, an open pan system is used to boil the juice and concentrate it into syrup. As the heating begins, impurities in the juice rise to the surface as foam, which is continuously skimmed off until the juice is completely purified. This process is also called as clarification. After the impurities are removed, the juice is allowed to boil further, initiating the concentration process. During boiling, a small quantity of edible oil is added to control excessive foaming and support the clarification process. This continuous boiling removes the moisture content from the juice through evaporation,
ஊற்றிடாத. ஆ ஆ அவ்வளோதான் மாட்டு.
Continuous stirring is carried out to ensure uniformity and to prevent the syrup from sticking or burning during concentration. In the meantime, the wooden mold tray is prepared by sprinkling a fine layer of rice flour to prevent the jaggery from sticking during shaping. Moulding and cooling. This thick jaggery concentration indicates that the syrup formation is complete and ready for cooling. The vessel is securely tied with ropes and connected to a pulley system, which is continuously operated to lift the pan and carefully pour the hot jaggery syrup into the wooden mold. Once all the remaining syrup is scooped out, the pan is prepared for the next batch of processing. The poured syrup is evenly spread at regular intervals to dissipate heat and remove trapped air bubbles. As cooling begins, the concentrated jaggery syrup gradually thickens and crystallizes, forming a semi-solid jaggery mass. Now, the sides are thoroughly scraped and the thickened jaggery mixture is continuously scooped and flipped across the mold to ensure uniform cooling. After reaching the required cooling level, the thickened jaggery mixture is gathered at the center to form a heap. Jaggery ball formation. Once the heap is ready, the workers gather around it with all the necessary tools for the jaggery ball formation process. Here, The required quantity of thickened jaggery mixture is scooped onto a wet cloth, then wrapped, compressed, and rolled to form hot jaggery balls. Once the frame is completely filled with jaggery balls, it is transferred to the storage room, where the balls are allowed to cool completely and becomes rock solid. The jaggery balls are packed into sacks and are now ready to reach the market.